Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is a Saturday. Let's go try one $5, one $10. Let's see what's gonna happen. The winning numbers 26, 27, 16, 17, 14, 31, 32, 6, 18, 25, number 1, 39, 8, 24, 11, and the last one, 15. It's not a winner. On to the second one, 19, 6, 22, 8, 23, and 24. There's a winner. Number 3, 17, 11, 25, 18, another winner. 14, number 4, 27, 16, 13, 12, and last one, 2. Let me see it for the money sign for $5 and $5. See you guys next video. I am back, everyone. Let's try one more. Somebody buy one. I buy one after. Let's see what's happened. The winning number is 33, 8, 3, and 12. 39, 25, 24, 23, 21, 1, 27, 32, 37, 26, 31, and the last one, 19. This is not a winner. Let's see the Merry Brights. I love these tickets. They're my favorite tickets. The winning numbers 12 and 29, 1, 17, 11, and 3. 2, 7, 16, 18, 20. Number 4, 28, F29. Number 9, 27. Number 5. Number 8. Number 6. Number 11. I have Matt. 13, 24, 30, 15, 22, 21, and the last one, 19. Just 11 for $15. If you guys like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. It's really important. It can help me. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend, everyone. See you guys next video.